How to add your own music on a TikTok video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open TikTok application. In the For You place, simply click on the plus icon at the bottom. Once you do, you can simply choose any video from your gallery or record a video. Now in the music, instead of adding from any one of the TikTok music, simply record your video with the original sound playing in the background. After that, in the editing page as well, when an automated song is suggested at the top, simply remove it. Go to next, and once you post this video, it will be posted under the original sound, which is your own sound. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.